Alright, so as you saw, this was actually $7. And it's kind of stupid because that thing said $9, $9.94 and $9.94 off, trying to hint that this is $18. I hate when they do that. They take the price that they don't sell for and then they subtract the amount off. You saw that the thing sells for $13. So anyway, I guess we'll open this up and look at it, and we'll cover this one otherwise because you probably want one of these too when you do this job. This thing is heavy as hell. These are on clearance for $5 now, which is pretty damn cool, right? User and bystander. Oh. So. Let's open some plastic. Oh, let's have some Pepsi Blue first, right? Hell yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, berries. What? So how can I open this up where I can just put it back together? Why do we have to watch him open stuff? I mean, what the hell, dude? It's like wasting a couple minutes just to watch this happen. Just let it happen, dear. Just let it happen. Just let it happen. Nobody will get hurt. Well, maybe I'll cut myself. I'll pull over any second and ask for directions. Don't worry, he'll do it. They all do it. Oh, I just used my razor blade. Oh my god, this is taking forever. Well, at least I got this on camera, right? Is it offset or something? Imagine that. Imagine if stuff was not in the center. While I was recording it. That'd be crazy, right? Okay, here's just some directions. Here's some plastic. Do we use this for the door too? I don't know. Maybe we do use this. I don't know yet because I'd have to check the directions. Maybe it's spruce for. Sounds pretty heavy, huh, baby? Oh, yeah, that's got some weight to it, huh, bro? Oh, see? It's like a pilot hole thing on it. Yeah, look at that shit. Oh, yeah. This is some good-ass heart shit, huh? What's this thing do? Ding, ding. I don't think this dude knows what he's doing. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. Ding, ding, ding. What? You could take that off and replace the bit? Yeah. Well, that's good to know, because the bit isn't always going to be, you know, sharp. So, look at this. Oh, they want you to screw it in to get it enforced into place. I think I'm going to do this. I don't have a spare door to do this to. So, let's see. Does that even match up? It doesn't appear to match up. At least not to this door handle. Yeah, that doesn't match this door handle. That's got that in deeper. Maybe it's better to go deeper. Deeper, deeper. Let's try, that's an old ass door. Let's try a door that's a little newer. See if that's in deeper. seems too deep, doesn't it? I think that's standard with a door. If you're gonna put that, that seems too deep. So you're gonna go to right there. That seems too deep. What's a normal distance for one of these doors? And then you're gonna screw that in. A minute. Huh. I suppose if it's too deep, you can put some sort of spacer there. Wow. That seems way too deep for me. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's not too deep. Okay. Yeah. All right. That makes sense, right? Because you're going to be, if you push it to the right a little, you'll be digging right about there. Be digging there. Did I mark it? So maybe that is. Maybe that is. Oh, what am I doing? I'm just so stupid. Let's see. All right. All right, so yeah, maybe that is a normal. Yeah, all right. It's just an illusion because this is not as wide as that hole. All right, so that's cool. So it's gonna do your. I guess it's gonna do those holes for you. So you drill it in there, and then you drill that. So then, what about when it's offset? What about this offsetedness? What the hell do you do about that? How do you sync this? They're not giving you something to sync that? That's what you'll need the chisel for? Because what door is it where that's not sunk in? Isn't that like standard? I'll mention it. Yeah, okay, dude. You're just gonna put a metal plate there? Is that what's going on? Put it on drill, then put a metal plate there. No hole in there for anything. Yeah. What? Oh, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. D. Auto strike locator. That's what that blue flap is. Yeah, alright, so sure. You're gonna need this puppy, aren't you now? Oh, you get that out of here, huh? Let's see how long we can take to get this out of here. wasting. Good. Oh, shit. I got it. Can't be wasting good zip ties. I did not just do that. See, it's still good. Still good. Still good. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Don't lose your cool. Anywho, so yeah. Chisel, bro. What is that, like a 45 degree? Because 45 is the angle you want. You don't want thinner. No. 45 degrees is your strongest angle. It's all about geometry. The stuff you failed. Physics, whatevers. Alright. This thing is so heavy. How heavy, bro? Holy shit. Don't worry, nobody's watching anymore. Let's see. It is, I guess, 3 pounds? 1 pound, 3 ounces. Wow. That's pretty heavy, dude. What's this? Oh, that is 1 pound. 1.2 ounces? Yep. Yeah. Woo! Oh. All right, so, all right, I forgot to show you this crap. There's that, and this. This is not the black one, you know, it's the white one. I don't know what the difference is. And there you have it.
It's my hammer. I'm done.
I'm taking your leg off. Gaga goo goo. Goo 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 gaga. I got mama. 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 Perfect for construction, just being loud as you can for no reason.
I have to do it.
You have to because you're hammering nails in.
That's what they do.
Yep.
That's what hammers do.
Yep.
You don't even go slow.
What do you watch that does hammers? You watching Building Bob? Bob the Builder, I mean?